Diane and Denmark here, happy Tuesday morning. As you know, it's been the Whitsun holiday weekend here in Denmark, so I posted a video on Sunday night and you saw, you can probably hear them in the background, Tweet and Sparky helping me to do a bit of zone cleaning in Zone 1 this week. And just a quick check-in today because today is, let's just make sure it's the list, today is Plan and Play Day in Flylady Land, and you know me, I always plan my menus on a Tuesday. And remember, we don't need to be spending the whole day planning, but just set your timer. I've got a timer here in the fridge. Set your timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Have a wee look at what's coming ahead in also in your diary. Are there birthdays coming up, anniversaries? Is there something that you need to maybe buy a card or a gift, something like that? And I have to say to you that the past few days, I've just had a really couple of bad days. Now, nothing dreadful has happened, but you know, I've just been in a real brain fog and forgetting things and having to check my calendar like 10,000 times. And I just want to say to you here, if you need a little hug, there's a virtual hug coming to you. And just go back to basics. I mean, that's what I always do. Don't worry about zone cleaning and stuff. Just make sure that you're getting the basics done. The morning routine and the evening routine, getting dressed to shoes. And look at that, we're having a bit of a heat wave here in Denmark. Look, I've even got sandals on today. Woo! I'm just about to go out for my swim. And we had up to 25 degrees Celsius yesterday, which is in the 70s. So fantastic weather. Anyway, I've already planned my menus. My menu plan for this week, and I've put it on my blog dianedenmark.com if you want to see what we are eating this week. And I've just brought it right back to basics, family tried and trusted recipes that I've cooked 1,000 times, because that for me is just very comforting. I can do it almost, you know, like blindfolded, making the things in the kitchen, and I don't have to worry about it. So I've also made my errand day list, and I might actually do my grocery shop today. Remember, don't worry about the days for these things, as long as you've got a plan. Because sometimes I do my errand day shopping, which in Flylady Land's a Thursday, so sometimes I do it on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But when you've done the little footwork, it's just easy to put the rest of it into action. So on that note, I'm going to get into action because I'm meeting up with Vibu. We're not having a breakfast swim this morning, but if I think I have a little video of the breakfast that we had just the other day. I'll see if I have. I'll put it here. Right, and for breakfast this morning, you can see our toes and the water. I've got scrambled eggs with cheese and also some potatoes that I just fried up along with it, and ketchup, and in the little thermos flask today and in our china cups some Earl Grey, and I've got a wee fruit bar as well, which this one is blueberry and blueberry. Oh, actually the tea's not Earl Grey, strawberry lemongrass, yeah. And here's Vibuca's, and remember your sun cream. Vibuca, what have you got today?
It's just rye bread with pålæg chocolate.
Oh, with pålæg chocolate, our famous chocolate slices. So, become. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm just about to get my thermos of tea ready. I've already got my swimming bag ready, and that will be me ready to go. So anyway, have a fantastic Tuesday. My menu plan is on my blog dianedenmark.com. That's where you can find me if you can't find me here at the moment, because I'm going on to my summer schedule. We are officially into summer here in Denmark, starts 1st of June, so I'll be posting here about 3 times a week. So on that note, live long, prosper, have a fabulous day, may the Danish sunshine be with you, and here's a little pom-pom sheet to send you on your merry way. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, remember, virtual hug if you need one. Okay, bye for now.